Actually, he sent Ghazan to go Medina and to kill Amirul Mu'minin Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salatu wassalam. But when he reached to Medina, he met to Hazrat Abul Fazl Abbas alayhi salatu wassalam. And he asked, you know, where is Ali? Where is Ali? He said, yes, I know, but who are you? He said, I want to meet Ali, I want to see Ali. The Abbas said, no. First tell me, what do you want from Amirul Mu'minin? I am the servant of the servants of Amirul Mu'minin. You tell me, what do you want? He said, I want to fight Amirul Mu'minin. You want to fight Amirul Mu'minin? If you want to fight, I am the servant of the servants. Somebody come to me for fight with me. Then we will see who is more brave, you or I am. Salawat ala Muhammad wa He said, no, you are a child, you are 15, 16 years old child. I am a person, I am 30, 35, 40 years old man. How would be that I will fight with a child, with a boy, 15, 16 years old boy? The Abbas said, no problem, I am ready. He was not agreed, but he was hesitating. At last, he became ready. The Abbas told him that I am standing here in this place. Only you do one thing, remove me from this place to that place. Nothing else. I am standing here in this place. If you have strength, you have power, you are a brave person, just remove me from this place to that place. Remove my legs, my feet. He tried a lot, but he couldn't remove the Abbas from his place. He was tired. It was very difficult. The Abbas told him, now you want to see my strength, my power, my gravity, and now show. The Abbas took him in his one hand only, or threw him up and then down, then up and down, around 3-4 times like this. When he came down, he was afraid. Who are you? Abbas told that I am the servant of the servants of Amirul Mu'minin Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salatu wassalam. If you can't face me, can't fight me, how do you go to fight Amirul Mu'minin? He is the bravest person of the Arab. He is the lion of Almighty Allah. He is Haidar-e-Karrar. He is Sher-e-Khuda. Person, he ashamed. Then who are you? I am the servant of the servants of nothing. I am the servant of the son of Amirul Mu'minin. You see the sincerity of the Abbas. How much he was the brave person of the Arab. How much was he brave? The Siffin, the Mu'minin said to his commanders to go and fight. People, they went. They were fighting with the army of Muawiyah. Abbas also, he said, Mawla, I also want to go. And Abbas put one niqab, one cover on his face. Abbas went to fight him, introduced who is he, recognized who is he. He was fighting like Amirul Mu'minin. People thought that Amirul Mu'minin, he had come and now he is fighting. He has come and he is fighting. The Abbas removed the this curtain or this hijab from the face and see it is not he is Hazrat Abbas. The same Siffin, Hazrat Abbas went to fight nearby the army of Muawiyah, nearby the Muawiyah. And here the people, they were afraid, where Abbas has gone, where is Abbas, where is Abbas? Everybody is thinking, Mu'min, you said you made mistake. No, I am Masoom, I can't make mistake. You see some people there, their iman was not very strong, very weak iman. Those people who surrendered to the Muawiyah and the Siffin. Their iman was very weak. They can't say, Mu'min, you made mistake, you sent us a path to fight to the army of Muawiyah. We said, no, don't worry. And then they saw that Abbas is coming from the army of Muawiyah like a brave person. Hada Tamaru Bani Hashim. He is the moon of Bani Hashim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Coming out from the darkness of Bani Umayyah, from the black clouds of Bani Umayyah, the moon of Bani Hashim is now coming out. See, the reality that the Abbas was actually a very brave person. And also Mu'min saying in the Nahj al-Balagha that the person who is most brave person, who can control on his nafs. The person who controls on his nafs is very brave person. You can say that Abbas, his bravery, that the very difficult situation, very difficult times in Karbala, he was totally silent and controlled his nafs. In the time of Asr Ashur, you can see that Abbas, he was silent. But Imam Hussain told him, go and bring water. You can see the children, they are crying. Al-Atash, 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 you go and bring water, arrange water for them. But Abbas, he didn't say that, I want to go to fight, no. I want to go to fight with them. The Abbas was totally surrendered to Imam Hussain. Totally 100%. Whatever Mawla is saying, I have to accept it. At the same time, the people from Shim, they are coming. You see that from mother side, Shim was related to Abbas. Shim said, some people you go and say to Abbas, we are ready to provide you aman and peace. So your aman and peace. So Bani Umayyah aman and peace, or Yazid aman and peace, or Shim aman and peace. It's very difficult to think about it. If you want aman and peace, you have to think by Imam Hussain, the real peace.